focaccia bread, which is an Italian bread. Just my toppings: basil leaves, tomatoes, olives. You can put anything. It's just like the dough is just like pizza dough, but it's very soft. This is the bread. It looks like very soft. I was just sipping my coffee along with a piece of bread. And once I'm done with this, I'll show you the whole process of how to make it. So, without a further ado, let's get started. We start with 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 375 milliliters of lukewarm water, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon yeast, half tablespoon sugar and half teaspoon salt. For decoration, I have used sweet corn, green olives, cherry tomatoes, some juliennes of green capsicum, you can use red and yellow also, some jalapenos, black olives, and last but not the least, some fresh basil leaves. These are the toppings which I'll be using. सबसे पहले हम lukewarm water में sugar add करेंगे. We'll give it a good stir until the sugar dissolves in the water. Sugar helps the yeast to activate. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of yeast. Mix it well. And we'll keep it aside for 10 minutes in a warm place. The lukewarm water mixture should be very frothy, and we'll add the olive oil. Now we take the flour mixture and add half teaspoon salt, giving it a good stir. Now we'll add the yeast, olive oil and sugar mixture to the flour and combine it well. Now we'll transfer the dough mixture onto the platform. Make sure your platform is very clean. And we'll knead the dough without any extra flour or oil in a pull and tuck pattern, using your palm, not the fist. It's a very good exercise, arm exercise. They say that a patience makes a human perfect, but a patience makes also a bread perfect. Keep on kneading till the dough is soft and supple. Don't worry if the dough is very sticky, it will come together eventually. अब ये डो ऑलमोस्ट रेडी होने वाला है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ऑलिव ऑयल लिया था ताकि इसको मैं परफेक्टली स्मूथ कर सकूं, और इसको मैं ट्रांसफ़र कर दूंगी एक बोल में, उसी बोल में जिसमें अपन ने फ्लावर मिक्सचर डाला था. And we'll keep it aside for 40 minutes. We'll cover it and we'll keep it in a warm place for 40 minutes until the dough is risen in double size. Here I'm greasing the bowl also. Little drizzle over the dough. And we'll cover the dough and keep it aside for next 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I will punch the dough and again do the pull and tuck procedure. Pull and tuck procedure and rising it till it gets double gives the bread more chances to be more fluffy and soft. Again, I'll keep it for next 20 minutes. Now here I take a pan and grease it with again olive oil, क्योंकि जब हम ब्रेड को ओवन से निकालेंगे तो वो easily निकलना चाहिए. Just we do for a cake, exactly in the same way. We grease the pan and now we'll transfer the dough mixture and pat it to the pan in a 1-inch thickness. Here I start decorating the bread with the toppings, sweet corn, onions, olive oil for drizzling in the last. I'm trying to make a flower pattern. You can just skip the decoration part and just push the toppings. While we are doing the decoration part on the focaccia bread, we will preheat the oven at 450 degree Fahrenheit, which is 230 degrees Celsius. And we need to keep this dough for next 20 minutes before we put it in the oven. And we'll bake it for 25 minutes once the oven is preheated. And that's the final product. Please do try, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.